As you step into the shower each morning, do you ever wonder where all that warm water ends up? What if one told you the answer could potentially power your house? Welcome to the world of thermal energy recovery from wastewater. Wastewater, usually considered a nuisance, surprisingly holds vast amounts of untapped energy. One company, International Wastewater Systems, saw this potential and decided to do something about it. They created Shark Systems, a phenomenal technology that captures the heat from wastewater before it goes down the drain. The Shark system extracts heat from the wastewater and uses a heat pump to amplify it. This amplified heat is then transferred to the building's heating system. By capturing lost heat, Shark systems not only save energy, they also reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Since the inception of the Shark system, it has been adopted worldwide from Canada to Australia and continues to gain popularity. And the best part is, the system works with both new and existing buildings. So, every single drop that goes down the drain after your shower isn't wasted, but put to good use. Think about it, we use water every day, and thus we create thermal energy each day. By recycling this enormous amount of energy, we not only save on electricity bills, but also contribute to a greener world. That's the beauty of the Shark system. It reveals the remarkable energy potential hidden in our daily habits. Join us in discovering more about these ingenious solutions to global challenges. Be a part of the solution, not the pollution. Your everyday actions could power the future. With Gaia's Green Space, learn about the green technologies that are changing our world and how you can play your part. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories on sustainable living.